In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find someone on Instagram by their phone number. This method works by syncing your phone's contacts with Instagram's Discover People feature. It's important to know up front that it only works if the person you're trying to find has added their phone number to their Instagram account and allowed their profile to be discoverable through contacts. You won't see any phone numbers in Instagram. You'll simply get suggestions for accounts that match the contacts you've saved. Start by saving the person's phone number in your phone's contacts app. Give the contact a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. Next, open your phone's settings, find the section where your apps are listed, and locate Instagram. Open the app settings, go to permissions, and tap contacts. Set it to allow so Instagram can access your address book. Without this permission, Instagram can't look for matches from your contacts. Now open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right. From your profile, tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. Choose Settings, then go into Account Center. In Account Center, select your information and permissions, then tap Upload Contacts. Here, toggle on the option to connect contacts. This tells Instagram to securely upload your phone's contact list so it can look for profiles that match the numbers you've saved. Once that's on, head back to your profile. Look for the People section or the Discover People area. If you don't see it right away on your profile dashboard, open your following list and check for the Find People or Discover People option there. Give it a moment because it can take a little time for suggestions to appear after you enable contact syncing. What you'll see are suggested accounts, often familiar names and faces, based on the contacts in your phone. Remember, Instagram will never show you the actual phone numbers, and you'll only see suggestions if those users have linked their number and enabled discoverability via contacts. If you don't see the person you're looking for, it likely means their number isn't connected to their account, or they've turned off the setting that allows people to find them through contacts. That's all there is to it. With your contacts synced and the Discover People suggestions visible, you can quickly follow anyone you recognize from your address book. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.